Hi, I'm Caleb Smith. I'm the clinical director at the Federal Tax Clinic at the University of Minnesota. And it is my honor and privilege to present this year's winners of the Wennerstrom and CLEA Awards for Outstanding Performance by Clinical Students. These awards are available to the student directors in any of the law school's 25 clinics. Nominations come from staff, faculty, and fellow clinical students. The winners are then chosen through a selection committee of staff and faculty. The CLEA Award is the Clinical Legal Education Association's Outstanding Clinical Student Award. This year's CLEA Award goes to Yemaya Hanna of the Immigration and Human Rights Clinic. Yemaya received multiple nominations for her excellent clinical work. Yemaya was described in her nominations as both a zealous advocate for her clients and an excellent mentor for her fellow students. Yemaya's grace under pressure, preparation, and talent helped secure an asylum grant for their clinic at the asylum officer level, which I'm told is quite rare. Yemaya's supervising attorney, Professor Miley, described Yemaya as one of the best student directors he has had the pleasure to supervise, and that even as a student, she has the skills that are generally seen in clinical teachers. Congratulations, Yemaya, on the well-deserved award. The second award I'll be presenting is the Wennerstrom Award, which comes with a $200 cash prize and the inscription of the winner's name on a plaque in the law school clinic. The Wennerstrom Award is funded by the parents of Kent Wennerstrom, a former Minnesota law student that found his greatest joy in his clinical experiences as a student. It is awarded to a clinical student who has gone above and beyond their clinical requirements. This year's Wennerstrom Award winner is Cameron Fox of the Child Advocacy and Juvenile Justice Clinic. Cameron received multiple glowing nominations. Cameron was lauded for his willingness to meet with less experienced students, to review student drafts, or to assist on new cases. And the mentoring wasn't limited to new clinical students. Cameron was referred to as the director of the student directors. Cameron was also lauded for his work with his clients. Cameron was described as willing to take on the tough projects, working diligently with clerk and court administrative staff on difficult issues, and ultimately negotiating a positive resolution for his client and the client's child on a third-party custody case. Cameron's supervising attorney, Professor Sanderson, described Cameron as thoughtful, hardworking, and dedicated to helping the students learn from their clinic experiences. Congratulations, Cameron, on the well-deserved award, and congratulations to all the nominees.